We've been talking a lot lately about using AI for us, particularly in product integrity, inspection, process improvement. So while a lot of the end result you see out on the factory floor, this is actually how we train the systems. In this case, we're looking at, again, non-validated or no finite attributes to measure, which we can do through 2D. But in this case, we have, it should look like, it should feel like something like this. So here, what he's doing is actually training the algorithm, teaching it through a large collection of photographs that we take out on the floor. This is a good part, this is a bad part, this is why it's a bad part, this is another good part, there's another good part, bad parts, and so on. Interestingly, this is where our clients come in. So rather than us train these systems, generally we prefer our clients train them, because this is where their tribal knowledge, their experience, their current process doesn't get disrupted. It gets enhanced, it gets digitized, and it goes exponential. This is now on the digital highway. So once we have enough of these and we have failure modes identified, the system takes over, it says, okay, I got it, thank you very much. You are not needed anymore, go do something more suited to human use. Horrible use of humans, by the way, out on the floor. But what we're seeing already is very interesting. If you look here, is the overlap between this green and red. Right? That's what the same person tells about the same product over and over again. This is good, this is bad. Well, in some cases, in every case, eventually, these two things overlap, and that's what we're looking for. Not just good is good and bad is bad. It's you think it's good and it's bad, or you think it's bad and it's good. That's where this thing really starts to take shape. Another thing that will be ported out of this is what happened. Right? One of the biggest problems in human inspection is once that inspection is done, you ask me to inspect my glasses, okay, there's a good one, let's go to the next one. Or this is bad. Why was it bad? What exactly went wrong? I don't know, it was bad. Okay. Here we have full digital footprint, we have full traceability, and we have full analytics. So we can give the data output of what's really happening. We can also give why and where something went wrong. So imagine a fishbone analysis coming out. You want it hour by hour, you want it month by month, quarter by quarter, doesn't matter. Right? All of that data is available to our clients. That's a huge enabler, particularly in the med device industry, where this high cost of quality is just baked in. To us, goes against the very ethos of micro, right? We're here to pursue perfection. So in this case, we can give fishbone analysis, Pareto charts, and enable our clients' engineers to actually go back and fix things. Not just anything, right? Prioritize sequence for impact. That's number one, that's number two, that's number three. And we can provide the evidence of what they're doing is working. So true operational excellence deployment in an area that really can only go so far with the current technology. So that we see this as a huge enabler. This can be done from anywhere in the world. Right? This doesn't need to be here. Obviously, it's not even at the equipment site. It can be done from around the world. So we have a lot of excitement and expectations around this. We can deploy this on any product. The higher the consequence, the better. The more complicated, the better. The more tribal knowledge, the better. This is where this is going to shine and provide a real technology breakthrough for this industry in particular.